Hello everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. When it comes to starters, I think Manchurian is something that we all like and we usually enjoy it as is, or sometimes we have it along with some fried rice or noodles. So today I'm going to share a very simple yet delicious Manchurian recipe. This is Aloo Manchurian, that is potato Manchurian, with very simple ingredients, and it's going to be really tasty. We're going to make it a little dry. So let's get started and check out the recipe. For this recipe, I've taken 3 large potatoes, washed them nice and clean, peel off the skin, and I'm just going to cut it into even size pieces. For this, just cut off the edges on all sides, cut it into half, and you can see I've got these nice cubes. So make sure whatever size you're cutting, all the pieces are of the same size. Once you've cut the potatoes, just drop them in a bowl of water. Next, we're going to cook the potato pieces. To the pot, add enough water for boiling, add a little salt, gently drop in the potato pieces. After 10 minutes, the potato pieces are cooked. Remove it from the hot water and keep them aside. Next, I'm going to make a batter. For this, to a bowl, add quarter cup of Maida, that is all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons corn flour. Next, add quarter teaspoon of salt, quarter teaspoon pepper, and quarter teaspoon red chilli powder. Just quickly mix everything. Gradually pour water and mix everything till you get a nice smooth batter. Now you don't want this batter to be too runny or too thick, just right so it coats the potato pieces well. Dip the potato pieces into the batter and gently drop it into the hot oil. Deep fry them till you get a lovely golden color. Remove them from the hot oil and keep it aside. So now I'm going to make the sauce for the Manchurian. To a wide pan, add 2 teaspoons of oil. I'm using sesame oil here. Add some finely chopped garlic. This is roughly about 2 teaspoons. Finely chopped ginger, about 2 teaspoons. 1 medium-sized onion finely chopped. Capsicum finely chopped. Next, add quarter teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon pepper, 1 teaspoon red chilli powder. This is going to make it a little spicy. So if you don't want the red chilli powder, you can skip that. Keep the flame on low. Add 1 teaspoon of soy sauce, half teaspoon vinegar, about 1.5 tablespoons of red chilli sauce, 2 tablespoons tomato ketchup. Mix everything. Now gently drop in the fried potato pieces and just mix everything nicely. So just make sure that the potato pieces are coated with the sauce mixture. So finally, I'm just going to finish off by adding some spring onion whites, just about 1 tablespoon, and some spring onion greens. The Aloo Manchurian has come together so beautifully. You can see it's perfectly coated all the pieces. So this is a dry Manchurian, like I said. It's a very nice and quick to make starter. Wow, that looks absolutely delicious. You can enjoy it as is or with some nice fried rice or noodles by the side. That Aloo Manchurian looks so incredibly delicious. Now you can enjoy it as is or with some nice fried rice or noodles by the side. So all you need is some nice fresh potatoes. So you can see I've cut them into a nice bite size. If you want to make it a little larger or smaller, you can, or you can even use the baby potatoes to make this recipe. So do try it, enjoy and share it with your family and friends.